Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Leaf key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. While some models use a CR2025, the CR2032 often provides longer life and fits most fobs. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple preparation ensures you can complete the task efficiently. Next, remove the mechanical key from your fob by sliding the small release latch and pulling it out. Then, look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to separate the two halves. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Now that your key fob is open, observe how the old battery is positioned. It's crucial to note which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Gently pry out the old coin cell battery using your screwdriver. Then, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's placed with the correct orientation, matching how the old one was situated. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely closed. Finally, reinsert the mechanical key. Test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure your new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.